When Ayala makes pizza, you could throw it against the wall. That shit will stick. Right.
All right, tough guy, this is how you make pizza. See this? We just burnt this in the backyard oven that we have, a pizza oven, that's right. You wondering how this is made? Please, just stay, yeah, this, you know. And that's basically, you don't really need too much tomato sauce. You know, just enough to wet it, soak up. Yeah, you're probably mistaken for being Italian, but I'm not. I'm Puerto Rican. All right, put this aside. This is how we do it. Yeah, that's how you smother that. You're wondering what kind of cheese this is. It came from a cow, if you don't know any better. Yeah, look at that shit. Yeah, just use the whole bag. What the hell? You know what we got to lose? You know? That's going to melt there. You're wondering, what's this here? This is collard greens with mushrooms. That's right there. It has collard greens with mushrooms with bacon and some garlic. That's right. We throw this on top over here. It's right there. You just mix it up a little bit, you know? We're just not trying to go crazy here. Right? Just enough just to get around the block, you know? And this is for the next batch of pizza. Then we got some Italian sausage there, left and right. I know V likes that shit. Let's throw some of this meatballs that Ray likes, you know. Yeah, I think that should do it. How about some tomatoes? Go a little crazy there, you know. And I was wondering, should I throw some spinach there? Yeah, why not? What the hell? Just a few leaves there to give it some character there. I want it to burn in the oven. And that's how you make pizza. Recognize. Right.
Nothing goes great with pizza with whale gin piss. That's right, whale gin piss. Tough guy.